hit me.
No, no, get out of here.
He's
No.
gone.
What are you doing out here? Nothing. Just out for a walk. Helps my pubescent mood swings. Is that Baymax? Yeah, but
Why is he wearing carbon fiber underpants?
I also know karate.
you guys need to go.
No, don't push us away, Hito. We're here for you. That's why Baymax contacted us.
Those who suffer a loss require support from friends and loved ones.
Okay, but
Who would like to share their feelings first?
I'll go. Okay. My name is Fred, and it has been 30 days since the last holy mother of Megaton. Am I the only one seeing this?
go. Baymax, get him. What are you doing?
I'm saving her life.
Baymax, handle that guy.
Oh no.
Hero, explanation now.
He stole my microbox. He started the fire. I don't know who he is. Baymax, home heal strike.
We're under attack from a super villain, people. I mean, how cool is that? I mean, it's scary, honestly, but how cool?
Why are we stopped?
Where's Red?
There are no red lights. I don't want to take.
Why are you trying to kill us?
It's classic villain. We've seen too much.
Let's not jump to conclusions. We don't know. He's trying to kill us. He's trying to kill us. You just put your blinker on?
You have to indicate your turn. It will walk.
That's it.
Stop the car. Baymax is actually taking me out.
Seatbelts save lives. Buckle up every time.
Yeah. Go to the patrol. Hey, come on.
Your injuries require my attention, and your body temperatures are low.
We should get out of here.
I know a plan.